Hey there, I want to give you a quick update on my Twelephone project. Remember the mission? It's to bring real-time communications to your Twitter experience. So probably the most difficult part for the average consumer at this point is onboarding. You have to have a certain version of Chrome and the flags, the peer connection turned on. So if someone comes to the browser or to twelephone.com in something other than Chrome, version 20 and higher, they get this type of instruction that says come back now and with Chrome or download it here. If you come with Chrome, what it does is it detects if you have the peer connection turned on for WebRTC. If you don't, it does provide additional instructions on how to turn the flags on. If you're all set up, then you should land on this ready to log in with Twitter. So let's do that now. Oh yes, I want to log in with Twitter. Here we go. So now it comes back to, it lands on my page, and notice everyone's Twitter addresses are workable in Twelephone. So if we looked at Mr. Gecky, you'll see that his comes up as well, just like you would expect from his Twitter environment. But here, you'll notice he's not available. He's not signed up yet. We'll fix that. Same with Spadal. But you could just as easily send them a direct message saying, hey, I'd like to talk to you on Twelephone. So we just sent that message. It is vital that you have the Chrome extension running here. Let me open this up real quick. It's an integral part of the Twelephone experience. So the whole app is written in node.js, and we use WebSockets to connect everything and track presence. So you'll need to install this Chrome extension here, which gives you this guy. This guy lets you control the, as we mentioned, your presence and whether or not the notifications, when other people change presence, kind of like Skype, appear or not. So that's what that does. Let me go back to my page, and you'll see how this all works. The presence anyway. So you see I'm online and available. If I come in here and I change my status to away, you should see real-time updates. Or not. There we go. So do not disturb, away. There we go, yellow. And then offline would be black. Let me go online. What this Chrome extension also does is it provides the persistent connection when you actually get a telephone call. So you don't have to be on Twelephone at all. If you, this is going to be awkward because I'm going to call myself. You obviously wouldn't have this in a production environment, but that's how I test. When you get a Twelephone call, it tells your Chrome extension that whoever's calling you and rings and allows you to accept or reject the call. If you accept it, then you get the full-blown video chat experience of a modern voice video communications call. So let's call myself, and I'll show you how Twelephone handles the WebSockets in the extension. So you will say yes, allow my video. Chrome is now using your camera and mic. Oh, there it is. So I got this little pop-up. I can reject or accept the call. I'm going to answer it. That opens up a tab in my browser as the one receiving the call. And notice I have this tab over here as my originating call, and you'll see them connect here in a minute. All WebRTC, no Flash, no Java applets, just pure HTML5. So as you can see, I've got audio now. Let me mute the mic. So you can see I've got picture in a picture down below. And if I go to this other one, it should have the opposite. Hard to tell. And if we start chatting, that all works as well, and you can do things like links, twelephone.com gives you a link, even has emoticons. That's in this other one too. And then you can hang up when you're done. So let's go back to our original one. We can return home. And we're back to the public site, but I can just as easily go to my page or Johnny Diggs and place another phone call. So we're progressing nicely. Just wanted to give you a quick update. More to come.